Today we're using hair from Nadula Hair. I've always seen these videos on Facebook with people using Nadula Hair, so I said I really want to try their hair out. So what we're going to do today, we have 3 bundles of 24-inch body wave, and I have a frontal too, but I'm not going to use the frontal for this style. This hair is like really soft. Like, it's really soft, it's really pretty, it don't stink. Like, it feels really, when I say it feels good, it feels really good. Like, no lie, like really good. So it's really pretty and it's really full, and this is just 3 bundles of 24-inch. You know, when you get 24-inch, the bundles are usually thin. The longer the hair you get, the thinner the bundles, but this hair is really thick to the end, so it's really good. So the hair is really pretty. So I'm excited to use it. So we're going to do a versatile glueless or protective quick weave with a part in the middle. So let's get started on that. So we're going to do this on Miss Curly Hair. Look at this pretty curly hair she got. So this hair should blend in really well with her hair since her hair is soft and that hair is soft. So what I'm going to do is do a part in the middle. I'm going to leave out hair all around her edges and in the back. I'm going to braid it down. I'm going to put a cap on, and then I'm going to put a glue protectant on, just like how I do all of my videos with quick weaves or glueless quick weaves, either the wrap paper or the glues, the glue protectant solution. So once I put that on, I'm gonna sit her under the dryer for 10 minutes and then start laying these tracks on. So I used 2.5 bundles of the hair. It was single wefted, which works really good, especially if you want to do sewing. So right now I'm just cutting the rest of this cap off around the edges in the back, so you can see. Is that focused? Yeah. The point of this is so she can put it into a ponytail or wear it down. So she's kind of seamless. So the point is, when she puts it up in a ponytail, you don't see the tracks, so it looks natural. So she can wear it in a ponytail, she can wear it down, all of the above. So I'm just using some dry shampoo to try to get some of this greasy, because she had some braids in with some beeswax. You know how I love my beeswax, but sometimes it's a little hard to get out. So dry shampoo can help. If you got a little bit of residue on there, you can use some dry shampoo and that'll help eat up some of the grease. So they don't convince me to do a half up, half down. Because this was her first quick weave, so I'm gonna give her a little half up, half down style. But I'm just gonna like use some water and stuff. I'm not gonna like really wet it or whatever. So drop the baby hairs, like the real, like, you know, extras? Or do y'all still want baby hair? Can we like retire them? Like the real force one? Or do we have to keep them? Leave a comment and tell me if we have to bring baby hairs into 2019. Or can we retire them? For the naturals. Right now I'm just using hairspray. So make sure you guys check out Nadula Hair and purchase some of that pretty body wave hair. I really love this hair, like for real. Like I really loved it, and it blended so well in with her natural hair. It's really pretty hair. So make sure you check them out. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Filthy Rich Tresses. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.